Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sell stuff on Donut SMP on Xbox. To begin, you need to understand the server's economy. Observe what items are frequently bought and sold, and identify goods that are in high demand. This initial research will help you determine what to gather or craft, ensuring your efforts are focused on profitable ventures. Knowing the market is your first step towards successful trading. Once you know what to sell, it's time to set up your shop. Find a visible and accessible location in the SMP world, perhaps near a spawn point or a popular hub. Use chests to store your items and clearly label them with signs. On these signs, specify the item name and its price, for example, 10 diamonds for 1 stack of iron ingots. Clear labeling is key for attracting customers. Pricing your items competitively is crucial. Research what other players are charging for similar goods to ensure your prices are fair but profitable. After setting up, advertise your shop. Use the server's global chat to announce your presence and highlight any special deals, like buy 2, get 1 free on all enchanted books. You can also post on any community forums or Discord channels to reach a wider audience. Finally, always prioritize safe trading practices. Before confirming any transaction, double-check that the items and quantities are exactly as agreed upon to prevent any misunderstandings or scams. If the server offers secure trading plugins or commands, always utilize them. Building a reputation as a trustworthy and fair seller will encourage repeat business and help you thrive in the Donut SMP economy for a long time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.